Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to exit viewport. For example, I will draw rectangle and you can draw circle. Go to sheet and it will be automatically show in viewport. If you want to edit, you can double click viewport. Like you can use scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out. If you want to exit from this viewport, you can double click outside and it will be exit from the viewport. So if you want to create new viewport, like in here I will delete, you can type viewport, press enter, click from this point into here, and you create the new viewport. Okay, that's it for basic Draftsight tutorial, how to exit viewport. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.